Marcus, what usually prompts most women or most parents to contact you when they think that their child may have been the victim of medical malpractice due to something that happened at childbirth? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello guys, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today quickly about two instances when most parents contact us, or what prompts most parents to contact us when they think that their child's injury at birth was due to something that the doctors or the hospital did or failed to do. The first thing that we see is that an emergency C-section usually is the issue. And what I mean by that is that during a vaginal delivery process, what we will see is that the child may have been in distress during this process. In other words, the baby was not tolerating the vaginal delivery well, and for whatever reason, the doctors and the medical professionals failed to timely perform an emergency C-section. Now, what can happen is if the child is in distress and the baby is just not tolerating the delivery well, the child can suffer all types of injuries, notably an injury to the brain, and this is due to a lack of oxygen. So that's the main thing that we see. We see that an emergency C-section should have been done and it was not done for whatever reason. Parents are usually made aware of that there may be problems because their child may suffer seizures immediately following birth, or the child may need to be resuscitated, or the child may be blue in color. All of these things can sometimes prompt parents to say, you know what, maybe something didn't go right during this vaginal delivery process, and I might need to go ahead and speak with an attorney. The second thing that can sometimes prompt parents to give us a call is when their child is not meeting their neonatal milestones. And this is going to dovetail a little bit into what I just talked about. What parents can sometimes see is that their child is just not developing as other children. And the parents will sometimes remember, you know what, there were some issues that we remember during the vaginal delivery process. And now this makes parents begin to kind of wonder, you know what, did something happen during this process that may have caused my child's injury? Now, why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important concept? Because I'm trying to help you understand that if you're watching this video and you have questions, that there are individuals out here who can help you. I'm trying to help you get an insight into this process and some of the investigation that a childbirth injury attorney is going to do when we get these types of calls. If you know that, you know what, it's time for me to talk with someone, this is what I invite you to do as I listen to the helicopter fly above me. But this is what I invite you to do. And remember guys, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this action. And that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.